Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Receiving regular dividends is a prime objective of the income investor. Better yet, is receiving dividends from companies that consistently raise their payouts in good times and bad. That's what we have with Black Hills Corp, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol BKH, a mid-cap growth-driven utility company. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Black Hills serves around 1.3 million natural gas and electric utility customers across 8 states. Now, income investors will love the dividend quality of Black Hills stock. The company has raised its dividends for 53 consecutive years. That makes Black Hills the dividend king, and since it's included in the S&P 500, a dividend aristocrat.
Income investors, you can't get better than this. Moreover, the situation for capital-intensive utility companies should improve as interest rates begin to move lower by mid-year and continue moving lower in 2025.
Yeah, Black Hills Corp doesn't actually have significant share price appreciation potential, but the theme here is regular and growing dividends. BKH stock is ideal for income investors who require access to steady and higher dividends. Now, as of this recording, Black Hills stock has a yield of 4.98%. The company's dividend coverage ratio is strong at 5.6 times, and its payout ratio of 63.9% is higher than I would like to see, but it's still reasonable.
Let's talk financials here. What's happening with revenues and profitability?
Black Hill Corp's revenues have declined in 3 of the last 5 years, but they've grown by 34.4% from 2019 to 2023. The last 2 years saw Black Hills generate record high revenue. Analysts estimate that the company will have slightly lower revenue growth of 1.4% to $2.36 billion this year, followed by growth of 3.1% to $2.44 billion in 2025. Now, on the bottom line, which is profitability, Black Hills Corp has consistently been profitable with growth in 3 of the last 5 years. While its diluted earnings per share fell slightly in 2023, it was the company's 3rd highest diluted earnings per share in 10 years. Analysts expect the company to report a slight decline in earnings to $3.89 per diluted share in 2024, prior to improving to a record high $4.11 per diluted share in 2025. Now, a look at Black Hill Corp's free cash flow shows negative results from 2019 through 2022, prior actually to showing a strong push to positive results in 2023 of $388.8 million. Now, continuance of positive free cash flow would support the company's dividends, capital expenditures, and the paydown of its debt.
Let's talk a little bit more about debt here. How's the debt load like?
Black Hills Corp held $4.4 billion in total debt and $93 million in cash at the end of 2023. Now, I expect the company to pare down its debt, especially if its free cash flow continues to be positive. The lower interest rate environment will help reduce its interest obligations too on expiring debt. Now, Black Hills Corp has managed to easily cover its annual interest expenses with higher earnings before interest and taxes, or EBIT. The company's interest coverage ratio of 2.7 in 2023 was healthy. Black Hills Corp's Petrosky score, which is an indicator of a company's balance sheet, profitability, and operational efficiency, is a reasonable reading of 6.0, which is above the midpoint of the score's range of 1 to 9.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Black Hills stock is an ideal complement for portfolio of an income investor who requires regular and growing dividends and has less focus on share price appreciation. It's always a good thing when institutions investors are behind a stock. In the case of Black Hills stock, 466 institutions hold an 88.7% stake in the company. The 2 top institutional investors of BKH stocks are BlackRock Inc. with 14.82% stake and the Vanguard Group with 11.93% stake. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.